I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Neteller account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Start by opening the Neteller website or app and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, look for the funding or deposit section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the funding section, find the option to add a new debit card. Click on it to proceed with the card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, review everything for accuracy and click the Confirm or Save button to finalize the addition of your debit card. You might receive a verification email or SMS. Remember, if you enter the wrong CVV, the card won't be added, so double check that number. I hope this guide helps you add your debit card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.